So why do people from South Asia write bad English? Now, I've discussed this phenomenon with a very close dear friend of mine called Mizan to understand why it happens, and he explained things that actually make sense. See, people from South Asia often write poor English, not because they lack intelligence, but because of several systemic, educational and cultural reasons. Now, here's a breakdown of why this happens. 1. Grammar heavy, writing light education. You see, in South Asia, in schools, English is taught as a subject, not as a language. The focus is on rules, tense, parts of speech and memorizing essays. Students are rarely encouraged to write creatively or express original ideas in English, and this results in them knowing grammar terms but struggle to write naturally or effective. Number 2 is a lack of daily writing practice. Now, most people don't write in English daily. I'm talking about emails, blogs, social media posts, etc. Without writing consistently, their sentence construction stays rigid, awkward or full of errors. Number 3 is thinking in native language first. But this is natural and it's very hard to get out of, but many people will translate from Bengali, Hindu, Urdu, Tamil, etc. into English. This causes unnatural sentence structure, wrong prepositions or incorrect word choices. For example, what is your good name? That's in Indian English, instead of may I know your name. And number 4, copy-paste writing habits. Now, students often memorize paragraphs or essays and reproduce them in exams. This encourages template writing and limits originality and fluency. Fear of making mistakes. This is number 5. Many people avoid writing in English because they fear being judged or mocked, and so they either don't try or keep using basic, safe, repetitive vocabulary. Poor reading habits. Reading habits in English are low across South Asia. Most people read only for exams. Without reading good quality content, articles, blogs, stories, people don't pick up tone, flow or vocabulary. Now, there's a saying, weak readers are usually weak writers. Number 7 is lack of feedback and correction. Students rarely get personalised correction or feedback on their writing. Without knowing their mistakes, they keep repeating the same errors for years and will never actually get any better. So how do we fix this? So I suggest that you write 10 to 15 minutes daily on simple topics. That would be a journal, opinions, social media posts. Use Grammarly, QuillBot or ChatGPT or for feedback and improvement. Read 1 English article daily, observe sentence patterns. I would also suggest that you read probably official news websites like the BBC and then personal blogs, because you'll see 2 different types of written English. Rewrite simple text in your own words so you can build flow. Join a writing club or find a writing mentor. And that's it for this video. So I'd just like to say thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next.